Your collision opening contest is a 10-man tag team match set for one fall. Introducing first, accompanied by Marina Shafir, the Bastard Pack, Claudio Castagnoli, and the AEW Continental Champion, John Moxley.
A rare smile on the face of the leader of the Death Riders there as he made his way out. John Moxley, a man without compunction or boundaries. And Tony, this past week on Dynamite, we saw him extend an olive branch to his former foe, Will Ospreay, to join the Death Riders. And as we saw on Wednesday, it certainly seemed to be taken.
And that, one would guess, is the reason that John Moxley is smiling right now. We are opening up this telecast with a 10-man, count it, 10-man tag. And here are the partners for members of the Death Riders.
Hey, big guy. Brother Nash told me too. That's how you treat the dogs, baby. Welcome to the dog pound. Time to go to work then. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Joining them at a combined weight of 426 pounds, Clark Connors and David Finlay, the Dogs.
Right on your feet, Tony, because this one is going to pick up quickly and not slow down.
Absolutely. The brawl is taking place on the far side. It's taking place in front of us as quickly top flight. And the Rascalz get the quick jump here on the Death Riders. And it's all around us here. And you feel like, well, I can do this.
There you go.
There you go. Boy, you're right.
Listening to what I said, stick move. Use your athleticism. Whoa!
Running all the way out. And there you go. Take a look at this tough lady.
In with an alligator who took a bite.
Xavier springs off the top. Whoa! Wow. God, what was that? That's a cover. 1, 2. Catch your breath, guys. This thing is going crazy. Now we're seeing the Death Riders in that combination in the corner they use. Pack with a head of steam. Oh my God. And now to the brutalizer on Darius Martin.
Well, they've got to protect, make sure no one gets in to break this up.
And that's it. This one's over.
Here are your winners, the Dogs, Claudio Castagnoli, the Bastard Pack, and the Continental Champion,